Hello everyone. So I was studying Haskell yesterday. I kind of lost on this chapter applicative functors and monoids, and I was thinking I probably should start doing some practical writing the code, and hopefully writing the code would make me to understand like this mess of stuff. So this was my initial plan at the very beginning, write the Tetris in Haskell. So like I was thinking, okay, if I can write the Tetris in Haskell, and I can just do it and shove the Haskell, like okay, I learned something about Haskell. So let's try to do it. I think I have enough knowledge to be able to write some code in Haskell, but maybe it's going to be in very barbaric way. So we have SDL somewhere. I have SDL, yeah. So here's it, SDL, and let's go to content, and let's go to this one. So this is the kind of landing page, getting started. It shows modules, and at not at very bottom, but I guess here we have the sample code, which we are just going to put here. I'm going to write makefile as well. So we are going to have Tetris, which depends of main.hs, and we are going to compile main.hs Tetris. I think that will do. I'm wondering if I can do -g as well, and maybe -o2 w all. I don't know. Let's see. Compile. Target Tetris is not module name or source file. Oh wait. -o. Okay. And use import. I think it's fine. I surprised all C++ flags, GCC flags are working here. So, and it's running. So there is a problem which I solved yesterday. It does not accept keyboard inputs. So let's see if we have symbols. We do not have symbols for some reason. Oh, actually we do. Oh my god, nice. We actually do have symbols. That's funny. So we can do up 6 or like a fin 6. Handle tick. Anyways, so pull events, and this have the problem. It does not, for some reason, taking events. I looked on the internet, and I think I found a solution for that problem. So let's see, modules, events, pull event. So I think I need to do pump events to solve this thing. So I just need to put pump event here. Also, not to burn too much CPU, let's do delay as well. So let's run. Let's press Q. So it does work now. So let's change the name to Tetris, and let's add some variables, which is going to be is going to be 10, height is going to 20, cell size is going to be 30. Okay, int height, int cell size, int. I do not know what is the proper way to declare constants. Linear v4. Anyways, so now I want to make the window based on that. Default window, right? So let's search for default window. Window initial size. So let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, Gemini, Haskell, SDL, how to modify some of parameters of default window. For example, width and height of the window. So it says to do it this way. I'm not exactly understand why is this syntax is, but let's see if it's gonna do anything. Okay. So now we need to do width times 30, height times 30. So it's not happy. Couldn't match type int with, and there is a way to deal with this from integral. I think it's like this, and put parentheses here from integral. Yeah. Okay, it's working. Let's start. Okay, now it looks like a Tetris. So let's change the color. So color is here. So 22, 22, 25. RGB. Let's do 30, 30 maybe. 25. Alright. Looks good. Let's call it Tetris from Haskell.
Tetris from Haskell.
Okay. So there is a AppLoop, and this is like a infinite loop here, and I think I want to have GameState. GameState equals GameState. I do not remember. I literally learned Haskell yesterday by reading that book, so I do not remember syntaxes, but I think it's like GameState. And is it called well? I do not know how to. Tetris. Puzzle video game. Gameplay has a rectangular field. Maybe we call it field. Field. Oh, what? Field. And yeah, I do not remember how to do structs. So let's look at the book. Types and type classes. Recursion. Word. Modules. Oh, here we go. Record syntax. Person. Here we go. So colon colon type. So colon colon, and type is going to be this one. Right. For now we will have only field, but in the future we will have as well current tetromino and tetromino x, tetromino y, and tetromino rotation. So probably we can make this thing as well. We can do probably data tetromino, tetromino. So it's a struct, right? And it's gonna be current tetromino type, I guess. Tetromino type. So let's call it T. So it's tetromino type. X int, y int, and rotation int. So let's call it rot. Tetromino type is going to be enumeration. So can we do what? How we do enumerations? Okay, so like this and data. And what kind of types we do have? Puzzle game. Each tetromino pieces. IPs, OPs, TPs, LPs, and SPs. Why this one is not happy? Because we should put like a what? Okay. So this warning is kind of bothers me. Okay, go away. Okay, so we have GameState. So we actually can do current tetromino, right? So this is the GameState. So we need the function which would let's call it GameState constructor. set or game state, I guess, which would return game state, set or game state, and it returns game state. Missing fields. Field equals, it's like a dot field. How to do initialization of the structs? Record. I probably should do deriving show as well. Show. Why it's not happy? No instance for show. Oh, Tetromino type. Okay, so okay. Okay, yeah. So now we need to figure out how to do construction. So is what? How is it like this? And then field equals. It's not initialized. Current Tetromino is not initialized. Mino equals tetromino. C equals I. X equals 5. Y equals 0. And rotation equals 0. Tetromin. What? Game state field. Current Tetromino. Oh. Okay. So this one we should do. What's going on with my camera? Why it's freezing? So field is going to be. I think it's somewhere at the very beginning. Ready to go. Lists. Maybe first. Oh, lists and something like a repeat or ranges, cycle, repeat, replicate. So replicate is count and what. So we do replicate. So we do rows first. So number of rows is height and replicate with false. So I think I should put $sign here. Yeah, okay. Okay. Just let me move this thing a little bit like this, so you can see the text. Also, you can do it like this. Okay. So now I want to AppLoop. So the idea is because object and Haskell are immutable, I would probably have the game state, right? So let game state equals set or game state. So this creates empty game state, and then I'm going to pass it to AppLoop, and AppLoop would modify game state and pass it back to itself. So this is the idea. So game state. So this would be game state and game state and game state, something like this. Now I think we can print the game state. So we can print game state. Yeah. So it should start spamming the game states. Yeah, it does spam. So field, and there is a like should be 10. So let's make a little bit smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it should have the value of that, and then Tetromino, I, coordinates, and rotation. So looks good. Now I want to have ability to modify game state, modify the field, I guess. So let's have a function which would I don't know, let's call it set, and it will take let's make call it field, I guess. So let's do field equals that. Would it work? I guess it does work. Let's see if it compiles. Not in scope data constructor present variable field. So what if I do like this? What the name of this thing? It's synonym, not the synonyms. Alias type. Type and type classes. Oh, probably if I search for string. Alias, not alias. What is the name? How to create type alias. Okay, type name. So it's going to be type name. Yay. So AppLoop, GameState. Okay, and now I want to create the function set, which would take field and which would take x, y, and isBlock, right? Set, which is taking field, int bool, and it returns back field, right? So let's implement it like this for now. So what I want to do, I want to get the field and slice it. I think it's called slice. List. Get the head, tail, last, init, length, nil, reverse, take. So take and drop. Okay, so take y minus 1 how to concat lists. Is it plus plus or something like this? Plus plus, yeah. Take plus plus. Let's do replicate with true. I think I can do it like this. Plus plus. Drop y field. So essentially we need to implement this part. Why is not happy? Oh, it does the warnings. Field shout of the existing binding. Really? Like, oh my god. So this one is bleeding to, I don't know, it's bleeding to global, which is quite annoying. GameState field, GameState current Tetromino, GameState field, state. Maybe I'm misunderstanding something. Tetromino type, Tetromino type, oh my god, what? Tetromino X, Tetromino Y, Tetromino rotation. I guess this one is bleeding as well. Tetromino type. Okay. Okay, so isBlock and X are not in used. I guess I can do isBlock so make it being used. Okay. So now get GameState and we can do maybe set and then x doesn't matter, so let's put 0, and y let's do 10. True, and wait a second, like this. Let a field prime equals set GameState field GameState. Oh, what's going on? Oh, my keyboard is, I think, it says battery is low. GameState field GameState x0 y10 true. Variable not in scope. What? Set. Why are you not happy? Expected T1 field with actual type. Could not match expected type T1 field with actual type bool, the first argument. I know. Okay. And let's construct new game state here, which would be how we do construction. Game state field equals field prime, comma game state current tetromino equals game state current tetromino of game state. Okay. Yeah, so now we should have somewhere like a line of true. Yeah, so there is a line of true. Okay. So let's do 5 here. So what we need to do here, kind of same idea. Take y field, drop 1. Alright, so let's call it let row equals, so this is a row, let what on row, I forgot the let, let in, okay, so and what we do here, we do take x minus 1 from row plus plus is block plus plus drop x row. Okay, why you're not happy? Couldn't match bool, expect type bool, actual type bool. Okay, and oh wait, drop, oh it's not drop 1, okay, it's a head, okay, and then we can get back to the list. Okay, so let's see, so we should have 1 true somewhere in the middle, so it's supposed to be 0 1 2 3, oh it's a 4th one, and I said 5th one, right? All by 1 errors as usual. Yeah, so it should be like this. Yeah. So we've got, oh wait a sec, we've got row. Oh, and then we take x. Yeah, it should be x minus 1. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Take 4. I need visuals. Grease pencil. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we want to update this one, and we're doing take 4. Okay, +1. I guess with y it's gonna be same problem, so it should be like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make it for me to easier to calculate. So it should be, yeah, looks right. Okay, so this is implemented. So we can modify field by using function set. I know this is so ugly. Let me do TT, or maybe TT. No. Right. TT, and this one is probably just T. So let's do G. Oh, wait a second. Okay. And GameState. So let's do GS. 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 And current Tetromino gonna be core Mino. Yeah. So now I need to implement rendering. Let's have function which would be drawBlock, which would take render x and y. So drawBlock. I do not know what type is a renderer. So where's the SDL? SDL draw renderer, create renderer, render. Oh, that's the renderer, I guess. So it's renderer int IO. Why this one is angry? Fill rect. We need fill rect. Fill rect. Renderer fill rect. Renderer fill rect. Renderer. And it takes renderer rect and cint. What is cint? Cint. How to create the rect source. Fill rect. What is lift IO? Fill render fill rect v1 v2 v1 v2. I don't know. Scene. Renderer fill rect ptr rect. And what is ptr? I don't know. 0. Battery's dying. I think I have battery, so if I'll just wait and it dies completely. Rect X, rect Y, rect W, rect H. Rect X, rect Y, rect W, rect H. And I think I need to do something like this. Render fill rect. Okay, let me ask Gemini. Give me example on how to use just rect. Just render fill rect It's not happy. Variable not in scope, render field rect, render maybe rectangle, integer, command render clip rect, import from the render field rect, rectangle, integer. So let's give the error. V2 seed. So we need to do it this way. Not in scope, tag as class seed. Import. So I need to import something. So I had this one, and the error is no, it's gaslighting me. I don't think this is the problem. Let's look at the cint fortune C types. So I'm assuming maybe I should do import for that. Same error. It's gaslighted me. Feel wrecked. You gaslighting me, right? Ah, it's right. Okay. Let's get rid of this. So unused variable x and y. Yeah, that's fine. So let's see. Oh, we need to set the color. drawBlock color. So it's gonna be v4. So what v4 does, so I don't need this window. v4 4-dimensional vector. Why it's not happy about that thing? Kind star. Render draw color. Slate var. I don't know. Do I need to do it this way? State var v4 board 8. Let's not do color for now, so let's do just render draw color here. So let's double everything. 6, 44, 50. Okay, so let's see. Let's drawBlock. Where is it? drawBlock renderer 1010. Okay. Let's not do print GameState. So I'm just comment it out. So now we can put x, y, x times cell size, y times cell size, and here we do cell size -1, cell size -1. And from integral okay. Oh, okay, it should be 510, so it's roughly in the middle. Okay, so we have this guy here, so we need probably a bit brighter, so let's do 9, 66, 75. Okay. So drawRow stealth renderer. It will take y, and it will take that, and so we'll do this thing, and doesn't look right.
drawRow.
Is this?
drawRow.
Oh yeah. So render y and row. Okay, equals do. I would do probably Elfman. Hey, Elfman. Mishka. Where do you see Mishka? Return. So we just return nothing, right? And never used it. Yeah, I never used it too. This is my kind of first time. So yesterday I spent some time. I read that book. What book did I read? Yeah, that's that book. And get booted in the chapter something after Polish notation. Yeah, like on chapter 11, so get completely lost in this language, and I decided, okay, let's do practicing. So I want to write by myself Tetris game in Haskell, and making very slow progress, but I think I'm kind of figuring out stuff. So right now I'm figuring out how to draw the state, the field in Tetris. So I figured out how to draw one block. I can see you. So here we go. We can have a little thing here. What? Don't invent language. I mean, just for practice reason, it's okay, but don't target to release it to the world. I don't want more languages. I don't want to learn more languages. I do Haskell because Haskell is kind of academic language, like a language of universities, and it has some ideas which then slowly getting implemented in languages, production languages, and just like being able to invert your way of thinking. Like there is no common structures like for loop, and essentially when I'm programming, I'm thinking about iterating for stuff using the for loop, and here there is no for loop, and I have to invent stuff. And I think it might be useful just to kind of shift your perspective on how to think about the problem. Anyways, so now I'm trying to implement a function called drawRow. So I have drawBlock function, which is drawing at position 5, 10, and I can put like at 5, 0. So it hopefully would work. Yeah, so it's moved here at 5, 0. And now I am trying to implement drawRow function, which like in C++, for example, is just a for loop. And here's it, I have to invent something. So like essentially I think it's a recursion. So it should be probably b colon I don't know, head, tail, something like this. And then we do draw block render. So y position is here, and oh, okay, so we should do if head, then else does return. Oh, come on. I probably need to buy a new keyboard. This keyboard is slowly dying. And for x, I need to length t width minus length t, I think. It's not happy. Is it like this? So we need to return something, I guess, like this maybe. And I guess we do need t. And use match defined but not used. Okay, so we don't care about this one, we don't care about this one. Cool. So let's see if we would be able to draw. Oh my god. How long for keyboard to... So I can probably change the battery. Let me change the battery. Okay, I'm back. Did I put battery wrongly? Okay, drawRow render. So let's do position 10, and it takes least. So let's do false, false, true, true, false, false. It should be separate. So it's a 10, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's see. It didn't do anything. Oh, wait a second. Okay. Then do drawBlock and drawRow renderer y z. Yeah, we need to. Oh, wait a second. It should be. Yeah, it should be like this. We don't need to do here. Alright. Hey, look at this. So, false, true, 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 false. It is off by 1 error, but it's easy to fix. Yeah, now it's good. And now we have to do drawField. Takes render, takes IO, drawField. So ignore, empty, do return, drawField, renderer. It's like this: head, tail, do, and drawRow. There. Height -1 -1 of tail. The roller renderer, it takes y and head, right? Incomplete pattern. Huh? drawField renderer, tail. What? Is Tetris just a grid? I'm not sure I understand the question. Is Tetris just a grid? Is Tetris just a grid? Top level binding with no type signature. Oh, I misspelled here. This is why it's. So now, why you not happy? Pattern match are not exhaustive. Pattern match is not exhaustive. What? Oh, because it's misspelled again. Okay. Ah. Okay. This is correct spelling. Okay. Clear enter drawRow, and let's do drawField and renderer, and we are going to pass GameState. What is it? GSField GameState. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have this thing here, and 5.1, 5.10. I don't know if it's the right way to do 5.19. Alright. Yeah, I think we need so let me have here delay 500 probably, and we need to have drawTetromino function, drawTetromino, and it's gonna take render, and it will take Tetromino. Tetromino, drawTetromino. Oh wait a second. Yeah, drawTetromino. So it takes render Tetromino, and I'm wondering if I do if t type of t equal tti, then do else if drawBlock render x plus 2 y. Oh, I should take in account also rotation. Oh my god. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. No, return. I guess I should do let x equals tx t, y equals tyt. In noises for Q arising from use of deriving show AQ type parameters. Yeah, like y. Oh, okay, so it's like this. Yeah. Oh yeah. drawTetromino. Tetromino, okay. Tetromino. So let's put 0, let's see. I guess that makes sense. Let's do 3, I guess. Yeah. So what we have, O. Okay, let's do O. TTI, else if. So we would do 2, 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3, I think. And let's change it to O. Where is it? Oh yeah, it should be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess I should probably put 1 here as well. For symmetry, let's do plus 0. Yeah. Let's let's make it move. So let GameState prime equals. So we have GameState constructor like this here, right? GameState Tetromino. Let us call it Tetromino. No, prime equals Tetromino. T dot type equals T type Tetromino. Tx equals Tx Tetromino. ty equals ty tetromino plus 1. So Tetromino prime is field GameState. Oh yeah, rotation t rot equals t rot tetromino. Okay, so we should have the things moving. Okay, so let me delete debug stuff here. Store GameState. TTOTT T, it's gonna be 0 1 3 1 1 1 1 1 2 L. This is not all tetrominos. The JLSZ. T J 2 2 2 1 0 1 2 2 L S Z S 0 1 1 2 Y is 2 2 1 1 1 1 2 2. So let's test them all out. So where is the Tetromino constructor? Oh, here we go. So T. Oh, T is broken. G J J good. L L good. S S good. And Z Z is good. So T is broken. T T T. Oh wait. 0 1 2. Okay, now it looks good. All this stuff does not take into account rotation. drawBlock. How would we do rotation? I'd probably have a function which would so we have x y x x y y, and how we do lambdas, and can lambda capture lambdas. We write because kind of looks like a Greek like that, and then we write a parameter separated by spaces. After that comes arrow, and then we do x plus xx plus yy, and we do b10, b11, b12, b13. Okay, let's see. T. Let's see. Okay, so this is good. So now we convert all of this in b11, b12, I forgot 1 to 1, B to 2, B01, B11, B21, B12, B20, B21, B22, B12. Okay, B20, B21, B22, B32, B02, B12, B11, B21, B01, B11, B12, B22. Okay. So let's see. I, T, J, L, S, Z. Okay. Rotation. So drawBlock. If T type dot T equal 0, then else. Right? Else if 1, then 2, and 3, right? We have 3 rotations. Yeah. Oh, what did I do? Oh. So what we can see, I think TTT is the good one to see if it's rotating. And we can make them rotate as well. drawTetromino plus 1, module 4. More 4. So we make them rotate. So let's for now don't draw anything, and let's do return. Let's do it like this, so we would see it's gonna blink. Okay, so I guess we can have a rotation function. Okay, so instead of doing all this nonsense, we can do rotate x, and it's gonna take x, x, y, y, and t rot t, and we can do rotate y. Yeah, so let's do it this way, and then function rot x is going to take x, y, r, int, and return int rot x, x, y, r. Let's do x for now. It should be just equal x. And rot y. Let's do it like this. Arrow. Yeah, and it returns y. So there is no rotation. So we can do just simple mapping. So 0, 0, right? Incomplete pattern, right? So we have 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, right? So and 0 3. Oh, I think I can do just one rotation. Oof. And then I can stack them. Okay. So, so I need I just need to remove this one, so we do not need it. 0 0. Okay. And there is 16 of these. Okay. 1 2 3 3 1 2 3. This is for X, and we do same thing for Y. I do root X, root Y. So I'm wondering if I probably should do two pair. Okay, and 0 0 0 3 0 1 1 3 0 2 2 3 0 3 3 3 1 0 0 2 1 1 1 2 1 2 2 2 1 3 3 2 2 0 0 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 2 1 2 3 3 1 3 0 0 0 3 1 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So X prime Y prime equals root if root equals GOT. If root equals 0, then XY. Else if double equal root equal 1, then root XY. Else if root equal 2, then root XY. Else if root equal 3, then root XY. Else I don't know, 0 0. Root it's not happy. Do not match expected type. Be factual type int. Function root is applied to one argument, but its type int has none in expression root. Let's call it R. Okay, so now we need to do this, and X prime Y prime. Oh wait, let's call it root 1. Okay, and here it's gonna be okay, so we call it root 1, and root is going to take int and return int. Okay, root point rotation, and if it's 0 we just return p. 1 2 3 1, 2, 3, root 1 of b, root 1, root 1, root 1, root 1. Oh, root 1, root b r minus 1, root 1. Yeah. Okay. So now we do root xx yy, and first root xx yy, second, second. Okay. So these pattern matches are not exhaustive. P is not one of, I don't know, root 1 xx. Okay. I think it's really hard to see, right? So let me tweak the colors. Where is the color? 1 to 0, 8, 8, 100. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. I guess I can make the variable. We can or so we can probably xy prime equals root xxyy r. I guess we can do let xy prime equals that one, and then in xy. I'm always forgetting what is like let. It's in. Why didn't do thing? Ah. Let me just make it rotate in place. So let's not do +1 here. I don't know if I'm happy about how it rotates, but I think it's okay. Yeah. So let's make longer delay, and actually it's gonna make it fall very fast, but we can have gsTick int equals gsTick GameState +1, and need go down equals, so let's do tick equals gsTick GameState tick mod 60 equal 0, need go down 1 0, if then else. Let's see. Okay, so now x and y okay, code event is q pressed, event is q press event. What is any events? Q pressed, left pressed, right press, key code, left, key code, right. Let the x equals if left pressed, then -1, else if right pressed, then +1, else 0. What? Illegal type signature int. Or should I do it like this? Okay. Tx tetromino plus dx. So now we can move this thing left and right. Oh yeah, look at this. Using the keyboard. But we should clamp it. Yeah, I do not know how to clamp it because I need to do I need to look at the internals of the tetromino. So let's do rotation. So up pressed, decode up, if up pressed. So I guess we need to have collision function which would return collision. Okay, so isCollision,
isCollision.
and I don't know what to do to make my camera not to freeze. Frames until timeout, auto reset on timeout, use buffering. I don't know. Anyways, isCollision. So what it should take. Oh, I know what did you mean under the question. Is Tetris just a grid? Instead of field, use the word grid. Anyways, I think field is fine. isCollision. So it takes field and tetromino and returns boolean. isCollision field tetromino equals. So if tx tetromino less than 0, so we need to iterate through so we need to get the list of coordinates of the tetromino. Let's have the function get tetromino chords, something like this.
Get tetromino chords.
And tetromino. So I guess I need to update this function. Get tetromino chords, and it will get tetromino and return list of int. Get tetromino chord. So it's it takes tetromino, and let's do this. So I think I just copy paste this stuff. Yeah, well, okay. Let me just copy paste everything. But B is going to return this thing, right? And we would do this. Still not happy. Parser on input if. Why you're not happy? I don't know why it's not happy. Let me see if it's maybe it needs fully. I don't know why you're not happy. Parser. I guess I should put in here. Okay. So just keyword was missing. Oh, there is no return. Just empty. Get Tetromino keywords. Okay, so let me comment this out for now. Okay, so we need to update renderer. Do let chords equals get Tetromino chords. T. Be right back. Okay, so we've got a list of chords, and it's probably there is like a function generator or something like this which can go through list. What is the function that go through list and generates new list? Map. Okay, so there is a map. Now if you want to double every number in the list. Okay, so now we do map chords, and then we pass here lambda, which takes xy, and returns drawBlock renderer first xy, second xy. I guess return. Not much type. Let in the do block. Huh. Okay. Would it work? Chords. Print chords. What if we want to have a side effect? Map m underscore. Hey. Cool. So isCollision, get Tetromino chords, let chords equals, and then how to check if all elements in the list, how to check if all elements in the list are satisfying the predicate. Satisfy the predicate.
How to check if all elements in the list satisfy the predicate.
All satisfy the predicate. Okay, so if all and predicate is something here, and then chords, then if not, then true, and predicate is xy if, okay, let x equals first xy, y equals second xy in if x less than 0, then if x greater than 0. Okay, so we just x greater than 0 and x less than v, y greater than 0 and y less than height, if not all. Then else false. Oh yeah. Okay, else. How to index the list. Bang bang. Bang bang. Okay, so else, so we go through all something chords and xy, let x equals first xy, y equals second xy. Let me comment this thing out. Let's return false. So we would be able to isCollision. So we do not tx is collision. If is collision, then 0, else dx, and is collision. What is collision takes? Field and tetromino. Field equals, and tetromino we should construct it. Tetromino and type tetromino, gx equals gx tetromino plus dx, gy equals gy tetromino plus g type equals zero equals. Okay, let's try it this again. So does it should determine? Let's go. Okay, it should work at least. Oh. Equal 0. Okay, it's kind of working, but we need to do it in a better way. So Tetromino prime. So I don't think we need to do all this nonsense. So it so we should do here if is collision Tetromino prime, then Tetromino, else Tetromino prime, something like this. Is collision. Oh, and we need to also get the field, something like this. I guess that would do the justice. All right. So there is a problem. I cannot rotate now because it's having collision, but oh, it also would not go all the way down, which is so it will stuck here. Okay, it will not go down. Makes sense. And now it will not be able to rotate. Okay, so now field tetromino tick, it go down, gx tetromino prime, let field prime equals if need go down and is probably I should set like let is collided is collided equals is collided if and then need go down and is collided something else field. So Tetromino prime need go down is collided to match type bool t0 bool. What function need go down is applied to two arguments. What? Oh my god. Okay, field prime apply tetromino to field tetromino. Okay, so we need function apply tetromino, which would put tetromino in the field tetromino, and it will return field. Okay, apply tetromino field ft equals so I think I need to do accumulate, right? Accumulate a list, accumulate sum, take a list of numbers and return their sum, product minimum drop, take Texas ranges, cycle repeat, what is accumulate function in Haskell? Fold. That's a function use accumulates values from list into a single result is called fold. Fold left or fold right. Fold. They often called reduce or accumulate. How to work? Fold takes three things: a function accumulator logic, the starting values, and list to process. The process list from left to right is usually that people means to accumulate. Fold. Okay. Three values. Fold L. Fold L. Okay, so we need to do fold L. Take some lambda. I know. Actually, let's do take some lambda. Then starting f, and then get tetromino chords tetromino, right? And here get xy, and we would do set f f set f set f first xy, second xy, and true. Shadows ff. Okay, apply tetromino. Okay, so field prime apply tetromino. So let's do let tetromino prime, and we just do tetromino prime, and tetromino prime is going to be if this condition, we create new tetromino, brand new tetromino, t type equals tti, tx equals 5, ty equals 0, t root equals 0. Else, if collided, we return this tetromino, otherwise we return this tetromino. Okay, is collided. Okay, so we need to move it here, but not used field. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, let's see if it will stuck on the bottom of the field. Hmm. Hmm. That's odd. Hmm. Bugs. Tetromino needs to go down, tetromino field needs to go down, it's collided, and apply tetromino field, tetrominos field. Apply tetromino field, need to go down, it's collided, apply tetromino, and it's probably set is broken. Get tetromino codes. Probably set is broken. Set. Take y field. Drop y plus 1 field. Take y head. Take y so wait a second. Let row equals. So there is a bang bang, right? Like a bang bang. Where is the bang bang? Read bang bang y. Bang bang x. Field. Bang bang y. Row. Okay, let's test set field, right? Ctorm GameState. So let's comment out this part. So what is not alright? Oh, GST is not initialized. Okay. Tick equals 0. Okay, 6, 10. Does work. 19. It does work as well. Maybe problem with fold. So let's do fold f xy set f xy xy through to the field to field game state, and let's do 5 5. Okay, did work. So let's do 19 6 19 7 19 5 18. Does work. What's going on? I'm wondering if I Tetromino. So let's make it red, I guess. Huh, now it's not broken. What the heck? Huh. How did I fix it? Interesting. Oh. Okay. So let's do that part. XY. So we go for all is C equals EC so we have the field and we do bang bang y, right? And bang bang x and oh yeah, so So we do in. So that means it's collision. All of them true. Oh, it's not be all. Any, I guess. Any. I guess any. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Let's do random. So it's giving all only TTI and I don't know. We can do around around Tetromino, and we can just put probably tick here. Tetromino. So let's have around Tetromino, and it takes int and returns Tetromino type, and Tetromino tick equals if tick mod. How many Tetrominos do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equals 0, then TTI. TTI. Else if. We can do let int it equals it equal 1, then GTO to GTG 3 GTG 4 GTL 5 GTS 6 GTZ, and we can do like this in equal. Okay, run Tetromino. It's based on the tick now. Okay, so looks like they are coming random. So I want to. It's a little bit annoying to wait, then Tetromino will fall down. Let me implement down press. Down press key code down, and need go down tick mod 60 or down pressed. Okay. So we would have slightly faster. Oh, there is a bug. I don't know how to fix it, but yeah, there is a bug here. I'm wondering if I probably should ignore movements. Yeah. It's also rotation kind of plus mod 4. So I want to rotate it in a different direction, and need go down pressed, so down pressed, and need go down here, tick. Okay, left press, right pressed, up pressed, and not need go down. Tin. So I hoping, yeah, I think it's rotates in the direction what I kind of used to. Still like a funky rotation. Let's do, I think I would implement last thing is removing the line. It's like and we would call it a day. Okay. So let's try to figure out how to remove line now. Field prime. Field. So let's do field prime. Oh yeah, field prime prime. Remove solid lines field prime, and remove, I guess I'll move main down, like I'm gonna be in C++ style. Remove solid lines, and it will take field and will return field. Remove solid lines and it takes field, and what we would do, okay, so what we would do, we would go for all the same. Okay, so filter, is it called filter? Probably. What is filter? What function in Haskell would do filter? Oh, it's simply called filter, filter even. Okay, so let f prime equals filter. So we would have lambda, which takes the row and returns false. Filter and f, right? F prime. I guess we can have like a is solid line. Is a solid line equals row all okay, all through is solid line. I guess I can just do this thing, is solid line filter all like this. Can I do it this way? Okay. And after we did it, how to pad list until desired size.
How to pad a list to the desired size.
Oh, okay. So what I can do now, we removed and length f prime, height minus how we were generating the CTOR replicate. Okay, replicate false. Okay, and we append it to f prime. Filter f, I know, go this. Like this. Nope. Remove solid lines. We go down. Is collided. Then remove solid lines. Else fill prime. All. Remove solid lines. Filter f prime filter. What filter does? Greater than 2. Let's look at GHCI True, 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 false. False. Can we do better? And okay, so we can do and field filter darn, what's going on here? F prime what? Corrected function filter, not keep rows. I know, I do not understand. Let's. I think it's gaslights me. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, it does work. Okay, it does work. Filter, not dot and f. What is dot? Okay, it does work. Not dot and. Compositions allow you to change the function together to create a new one. You have function equivalent to. I see. Okay. Right. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with let me comment out that part. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's in the main function. Okay. So come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Give me thing. So let's put it here. I don't know what to do. Oh, LPs, no. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's make a Git repository. So make file hs and everything else is ignore. That is in Haskell. Anyways, I think I'm done. Initial commit. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.